Narcissistic injury triggers emotional fallout. It affects both the narcissist and their victims. Understanding narcissistic injury is crucial. Narcissists react defensively to perceived threats. Their reactions can harm interpersonal relationships. Emotional fallout manifests as aggression or withdrawal. Victims often feel confused and hurt. Recognizing manipulative behavior is a vital step. Narcissistic injury stems from fragile self-esteem. Victims are often scapegoated during crises. Emotional distancing helps protect victims. Openness about feelings is essential for healing. Therapy aids individuals in coping. Counseling offers strategies for resilience. Victims must assert boundaries firmly. Forgiving oneself is part of recovery. Building self-esteem enhances emotional strength. Support networks offer essential guidance. Journaling can clarify confusing feelings. Self-care practices foster personal growth. Acknowledging personal progress boosts confidence. Mindfulness practices encourage emotional stability. Understanding detachment is crucial for healing. Boundaries protect against future harm. Healthy relationships contribute to recovery. Patience is key in overcoming the fallout. Healing is a gradual, ongoing process. Continuing education on narcissism helps. Support groups offer communal understanding. Emotional intelligence fosters resilience. Ultimately, healing enriches personal well-being.